All right, guys. I made a video. It was a time trial of industrial area or whatever it's called. Um, and somebody asked if I was using VR. I wasn't. I was using an app called Vorpex. But I learned how to mimic what Vorpex does as far as head tracking for a VR headset. And what you're going to need is OpenTrack to make it work. That's this program here. I'll have a link in the comments on where to download that for free. So you're going to open that up. You're going to be given this here, the UI interface, I guess you could call it, and the input you're going to change to whichever method you have. If you have a valve or like maybe a index or whatever Steam VR, Valve, Open VR headset you have, you will click on that and you will use your the free, Steam VR desktop that comes with that to play BeamNG with head tracking. You can also download a program here called Desktop Plus. That is a free program, also available on Steam. And you're going to have varied results on which type of headset you have and what's going to work for you. I use an Oculus Rift, so the Oculus Rift runtime is the one that I will select. Output, you can leave that as free track 2.0 for the BeamNG game purposes, and the filter you do not have to change either. What you will have to come over to is the options here, and you'll have to go to game detection and press these three dots right here and guide it to the BeamNG.Drive exe file. I already have it in there, so that is all set. Let's see. What was the other thing you needed to change? I think it was in options here. Oh yeah, the shortcut. Just change your center view button to whatever you want. Just press this bind button here and set it to whatever button on your keyboard, on your joystick, mouse, whatever have you that you want to press to center view. Excuse me. So all right, and then after you have that all set, you just start the tracking. All right, and then for me, using the Oculus, it's gonna make your screen kind of go to the open track. That's the program you just opened. Once you click on the run, it will to run the app. It will bring you up this screen that it's loading, and that won't change. It will always sound like it's loading. Well, what you have to do, and you can't see this, and I can't show it to you in the mirror without the view getting all wonky. But you go into the Oculus menu and you go to your desktop view. Press the Oculus button, and that will bypass the loading screen and give you a view of your desktop. All right, so you're gonna have to do that. I'm sorry I can't show you that. What I'm trying, hopefully what I said was self-explanatory enough. Just go into your Oculus, or your Oculus app will pop right up, and you just need to go to the desktop view in the little UI Oculus Home menu, and just click on the desktop view, and that will bring up your desktop view. All right, so let me minimize out of that. So right now I am in my headset, even though you can't see the view I'm seeing. I am looking at the desktop in my headset, and things are pretty much okay here. So I'm just going to start up BeamNG.Drive. All right, and now everything is head track. Everything will start head tracking as you start driving in the game. So let's see. Launch the game here. So the game is partially loaded up. I'll load up a track and show you that head tracking is working. This is all free, guys, so you can thank me later. All right, let me load up a track. All right, guys, so a little problem with the textures there. So yeah, head tracking is working. I'm not using Vorpex at this point. It is just tracking using the open track program. Um, again, you can use Desktop Plus. That's a free program. The open track software is free as well. I'll have the download link to that as well. Another trick you can try is if you have a Nvidia graphics card. I don't know how to do it on AMD, but if you have Nvidia, you can definitely set a custom resolution for, let's say, if you have a, well, you don't even need a 4K monitor to. You can enable a resolution that isn't compatible with the monitor that you have. Even if you have 1080p. You can download a 38, what is it, 3840 for 4K by 1080, and it will give you a wide wraparound view for your viewing on the free virtual desktop, if you will, or the Oculus desktop, or the Steam VR virtual desktop that's free. So that there you go, guys. This do a lap here for you, but I hope I explained all this right and okay, that you understand it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. So just do a little lap here. Alright, good enough. That's going to be the end of the video, but hope you guys enjoy this. Again, if you have a VR headset, give this a shot, and let me know what you think in the comments about it. And again, if you have any questions, feel free. I don't know if I can answer them. I really just got into this about 2 hours ago. So, but if you have questions, I might be able to help you out, or at least guide you where you can find the answers. So thanks again, guys, and until the next one, okay? All right.